What is up, guys? Back with back today. But today I have my kitty and he won't stop running. Hey, buddy. Yeah, sniffs the camera. Alright, so earlier he was doing some really funny things. This is him. His name's Samson. He's like my favorite kitty. Well, he's not my favorite because I have 2 cats and a dog. But he's so dirty because he's been wallowing around and he's got something all over his tail. See? Look how dirty he is. Guys, I love this cat to death. Oh. Here he goes. All cats do this, I know, but it's just so funny. What are you doing? Well. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Just pause the video for no reason. Kitty. So cute. You can see I got my old shoes on. You don't see my new ones yet. Oh! There he goes. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, never mind. I don't want to. No copyright. Alright, guys. So, that has been a kitty vlog. Well, never mind. Holy crap, look at that. He is dirty. He's wet? Like, how the fudge did you get wet, Samson? Aw. That has been a short kitty vlog, guys. I'll see you probably later. Alright. Bye.